So there's a strap goes here, sort of plasticky rubbery strap thing that goes under the window. And as you can see, there must have been a chip or something there because it's rotted right the way across. So we'll need to get that sorted out. That's the next job. So there you go, this is what you get when you mess around with old cars. Previous repair. So somebody's obviously sort of dummied it up in the past with a bit of body filler. There's no hole there at least, so that's good. So we'll need to get the window out to do it properly. So the window's out. I reckon the car's had a rear quarter put on it at some point, hence this sort of low point here. What we'll do is we'll grind it back, put some new filler. I mean, the car is 25 years old, so no surprise. We've grinded most of the kind of rust out. There's still a bit of pitting that goes through. What we'll do with that, rather than keep on grinding and actually weaken the metal further, what I'm going to do with that is I'll get some rust eater or rust converter stuff, and I'll put that on just to neutralise it. It's definitely had a rear quarter panel on it. You can see there's been a weld here, and you can see where there's a wee bit of filler on there where they've just blended it in with some filler. But nothing too worrying, to be honest with you. No dodgy welds or anything. All it's been is the rainwater over the past 20 years probably has got under that wee bit of filler, and it's just sat underneath it and sort of started to bubble up. Nothing too worrying. Right, so last night before leaving the unit, I've put some of this stuff on it, rust converter, and left it overnight. So we've came in this morning and it's turned all this sort of, you can see where it's reacted. So it turns all the rust sort of black and it makes it stable, so it basically stops the rust. So I just need to scrape off any excess and we'll put some filler on it just to level it off, and then we can go on with them sanding it down and priming it.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
So that's how you do a DIY repair on your paintwork. You can barely see the join. In fact, on the main part here you can't see it hardly at all. There is a wee tiny bit, just, I'm trying to see it. I can't even pick it up on camera. There. That you can just see when the light shines on it. Now I'm going to leave that like that because I don't really want to buff any harder on that edge. And to be honest, when it's outside in the real world, you won't see it. I know it's there, but nobody else will unless it's pointed out to them. So that's how you do a DIY paint repair to a good standard. All I need to do now is window back in and rebuild it up. Good to go. Thanks for watching.